Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDT on Bitget. All right, so first up or first method, the quick buy and sell. So just go to scroll down. You go ahead over to your wallet or right here on these tabs. You can swipe right and tap on more and then just tap on buy crypto. Okay, this is the easiest method right here. So buy what? Leave it USDT and then how much? Okay, change the currency right here if you want to, maybe USD. All right, just tap on it. Now, maybe for 12 USD, okay, which is the minimum, by the way. So you will get 11.9649 USDT for this amount of USD. Okay, so if you're happy with that, well, just go ahead and tap on the payment options right here. And depending on where you're at, okay, you might have a different payment methods right here. As you can see, for USDT, available payment methods are Google Pay, Mercurio, and Transact. Okay, so just basically select a payment method right here. You'd also use PayPal, okay, or Venmo, credit debit card, Revolut, and some other options. Okay, so select one, hit on confirm right here, follow simple prompts, and after that, you'll have your USDT. So the other option, by the way, is by using P2P. This one is pretty easy as well. So make sure that you have finished your KYC or identity verification before you can proceed with peer-to-peer trading. So advanced view right here, okay? Click on buy, USDT, limit, how much? Maybe 100 USD, confirm. Payment method, could be all, or you could go ahead and filter this out to the ones that you have. For example, you have Skrill. Tap on Skrill. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and filter the listings right here to only verified merchants. Okay, so this one got Skrill at 1 USD cost $1.04 for this specific seller. So if you want this one, well, you can go ahead and tap on buy. Now follow simple prompts right here. Okay, finish the identity verification, and the next page it will just ask you for your Skrill credentials, or depending on the payment method that you have selected. Okay, so just basically follow simple prompts, and once done, you'll have your USDT under your wallet. And that is how you buy USDT on Bitget. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.